name is Jacqueline Blakeship, and today I'm going to teach you 3 different methods to find the GCF of 3 different numbers. So for the first method, it will be called the factor method. So for this method, you take 36, 24, and 16 and you factor them. So factoring means you take what times what will give you 36? 9 times 4. Then you break down the 9 because 3 times 3 equals 9. And then you break down the 4, which is 2 times 2. So then you go to 24, and that would be 12 and 2. You break 12 down into 4 and 3. Next, you go to 16 and you break that down, and it would be 8 times 2. Then 8 can break down into 4 times 2. 4 can be broken down to 2 times 2. So what is the greatest common number that you see that they all have? Yes, they do all have 2's, but that is not the greatest number. The greatest number that they all have is 4. So your GCF is 4. Okay, so for the second method, it's going to be called the ladder method. For the ladder method, you take 16, 24, and 36, and instead of doing the division sign up, you're going to do it down. And what you do is you see what number can go into 16, 24, and 36 evenly with no remainders. So it would be 2, because 2 can go into 16 8 times, 2 can go into 24 12 times, and 2 can go into 36 18 times. So next you see, okay, what number can go into 8, 12, and 18? It would be 2 again. 2 goes into 8 4 times, 2 goes into 12 6 times, 2 goes into 18 9 times. So what you do is you take these two numbers, 2 times 2 gives you 4. So that's your GCF. So for the third method, I'll be doing the Euclidean algorithm. So for this method, you take 36, 24, and 16, and you look at which two numbers are the biggest. So that'd be 36 and 24. So what you're going to do is you're going to divide 24 into 36. So 24 into 36 only goes one time. 24 times 1 is 24. 6 minus 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So then you take 12 and you put that into 24, which is different from regular division. So 12 goes into 24 2 times. 12 times 2 is 24, and you're left with the remainder of 0. So you're left with the 0 as a remainder. So what you're going to do is you're going to take 12, because that was the last number that you actually had and it wasn't a 0. Take 12 and you divide that into 16, your number from up here. So 12 goes into 16 only one time. 12 times 1 is 12. 6 minus 2 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So then you're going to take the 4 and divide it into 12. So 4 times 3 gives you 12. And you're left with the remainder of 0. So what you do is you look back and see what number were you left with last, which was 4. So that is your answer. The answer is 4. The greatest common factor of 36, 24, and 16 is 4.